In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code on Mailerlite. We'll walk through this together step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to safely insert your own custom code into a campaign or landing page. First, open up your Mailerlite dashboard and head to the campaign or landing page where you want to add your code. This could be a regular email campaign, an automation email, or a landing page you're building. Once you've found the right item, click on it, and then look for the Edit button. This takes you straight into the editor where you can work on the content and layout. Make sure you're in the correct version of your email or page, because any changes you make here will apply to this specific design. Now that you're inside the editor, we're going to add a code block. In the content panel, look for the section where different types of blocks are listed. Depending on your version of Mailerlite, this might be labeled something like Special, Elements, or a similar category that includes more advanced items. Scroll through until you see the block called Code or HTML. Click and drag this block onto the part of your email or page where you want your custom content to appear. Drop it into position just like you would with any other block, such as text or images. Once the code block is on the page, click on it to open the code editor area. You'll see a field where you can paste your own HTML or CSS. This is where you add the snippet you've prepared, whether it's an embedded form, a countdown timer, a custom-styled section, or another piece of third-party code. Paste your code carefully, and if possible, use clean, well-formatted HTML and CSS. Keep in mind that some scripts or complex elements might not be fully supported in all email clients, so it's best to stick with code that's email-friendly or tested for landing pages. After you've pasted the code, review the preview inside the editor to make sure it looks the way you expect. If something seems off, go back into the code block and adjust your HTML or CSS. When you're happy with how it looks, the final step is to save your changes. Click the Save or Update button in the editor. This confirms your edits and applies the code to your campaign or landing page. From here, you can send a test email or open the landing page preview to double-check everything before you go live.